Okay, so I ain't got no Kevin Aquan, nothing. So I'm using the Ambrosia Cosmetics eyeshadow primer to cut my crease. And then she took a brush, something like this one, so I'm kind of like wet it out.
I think I'm gonna be using Tarte for much longer, guys. Recently,
okay, so she went into one of the Juvia's Place palettes.
So now for our first leaf,
and she's like a pink
from the Magic Palette by
so
Juvia's Place. That
I'll
use some of this
pink because it's like kind of darkish pink between these two.
Now going into the inner.
Wait.
I'm taking cold.
Oh my god. So she took the pink and she put it in the middle. The middle. Then she goes in with the orange, so I'll go in with this.
Blend the two together. Basically
and
just
overlap it
the colors so
over the orange, over the pink.
Now I'm going.
And then
Part of my lid,
then she took the white
area, and I
okay, let's see how this gonna go.
Then I wanted to deepen the end, so I took some of that navy
She took a navy blue, so I took the navy blue.
Or Yejide, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. That is also from the Magic Palette.
Lines oh shucks. Lines her eyelid with black eye. Alright. And she puts on lashes off camera, so I'm gonna do the same. Okay, so as y'all know, she doesn't wear foundation, so
but yeah,
she just went in with her concealer.
For now, I pause and then I move on to.
Take my damp Buddha blender. And she's using powder to set, obviously. So I'm using my caramel powder to set. Okay, and then she takes a powder a little bit darker than her kind of her skin tone and uses that to buff it in. So I will use the Sasha matte face powder in Perfect Honey. I had this for like ages.
I'm not really dwelling on this portion too much just because I don't want to
contour the nose. Feels like a real light kind of normal everyday contour, so you know how that goes. and she can't towering, you know.
Just go ahead and check that out. So now we're moving on to glow, and I'm taking my
no dear, wait, we moving on to no glow. Pause our
it's sugar.
Okay. On to the glow.
So now we're moving on to glow, and I'm taking my Artist Couture.
I don't got no Artist Couture, so I'm using my TZ Cosmetics highlighter palette. And I don't have that brush that she's using either, so I'm using this brush. Same result, I find.
This is the Illuminator in Sugar Daddy, and guys, I love this one. Like, I definitely feel like this has a more goldy type of shimmer to it. I feel like it would be very nice for darker skin tones as well, so I feel like this one is perfect for that. And then just glowing up all the parts of my face that I want to be a little bit more pronounced.
Now she went back over her eyelashes with liquid eyeliner, so I need to get mine. So yeah, I go in with my Music Flower Longwear gel eyeliner that I got from AliExpress. I'll leave a link down below. Okay, and then I saw she went back in underneath with the navy blue that she used. Yeah, lady, computer down here. Oh, sorry. Ooh.
I know.
So then she went back underneath here with the highlighter she used.
And for the lipstick, I'm going in with a nudish.
If any of y'all ever tried to follow any of my tutorials, I'm so sorry. I now realize how this editing and fastening up stuff just messes with your mental. Putting you under his hair. Hope it does the same effect as it is. Okay.
So now we're moving on to the
lips. Okay, so she lined her lips with brown
eyeliner.
We're gonna line our lips too. Okay.
Start with some of my Victoria's Secret lip plumper.
The only gloss I have is this one from MAC. So
yes, but that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy.
All these glosses from MAC smells so nice. Okay, so I didn't really get the lip color right, but I think I got everything else right. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about this look. Did I get it? Was it a hit or a miss? Or like following that tutorial, like the speech she was going at, I was like, what is going on? But this was really fun though. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like my look. Tag Petite in this video if you can. I would love to see what she has to say about it as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.